Happy Tuesday again to all of you wonderful middle school math students. I just wanted to go over this real quick. I have been working for hours and hours to try to figure out the best way to get everyone access to the different worksheets that I've been trying to put out. Doc Hub seems to be a big, big disaster. And so what I did is I worked on many types of worksheets apps and they all failed me. So I'm back to Google Slides, which hopefully everyone can access. And if not, I will share this link here, which tells you how to download Google Slides from an Android device, from a computer, and an iPhone or iPad. So I will share this link with you so that you can look up the best way to download Google Slides to your device if you don't already have it. So going back to the thing I just sent everybody at 2:39 p.m., I have a line plot second time Google slide. So what I would like all of you to do, even those who thought they had sent me a doc hub with the answers, those all showed up with nothing in them. And so we're going to click on this Google slide and it opens into a new document, and all of these are yours. Like nobody else, if you type in it, it's not going to take anybody else's answers away. So this is the same worksheet, but I made all of these places that you can click to add things in. Now you can tell it's very small right here. So what you can do is click on the Zoom plus button, which you can find right over here. You can insert it this way if we need to insert something, but everything right here, Zoom. So I'm going to hit Zoom and I'm going to go down to 100%. And then you can see the worksheet a little bit better and closer up. Now, obviously, you can zoom out, so you could just zoom out like that if that helps you. So play around with the zoom, and that will get you what you want. And then I created these text box where you can see that it says type your name here. So what you're going to want to do is click on it. Oh, I don't want to zoom anymore, my friends. Hold on. Okay, so type your name here is what it says, and if you click on it, a text box shows up and you can erase this and type in your name. So let's see, Sally, Joe, Bob. That's a great name. Okay, so that's the name part, and then you'll probably want to zoom out a little bit so you can see the graph. And so here's my line plot. And then you need to use the line plot to answer these basic questions, like how many students received a score of 94%. So you look where 94% is, and there's two X's on the top. And so that would mean there are two students. So let's see. Everyone in the class scored an 88 or higher. Yep. Okay, so I have two above 94. So then type my answer. I click on that and this shows up a text box. So then you would highlight, type your answer, and you would just put in the number 2 students. And that's all you would need to type, and then you keep going through all of these and type your answers in. Let me just undo that and undo. And then go back up here to undo Sally, Joe, Bob, just because this is the main document. Okay, there's a longer answer needed for number 8. So I highlighted this whole entire area. And again, you just type your answer in here. Now notice, I do not push the present button. I think a lot of people are pushing present and then they're like, I don't know how to type in it. You do not push the present button. Okay, so you leave it like this, you finish it, and then up here, up at the top left, where I'm swirling my mouse around, it says line plot second time. Before the word line, you would type in your last name. So I was talking about Sally Joe Bob. So I put in her last name Bob and then a period and then leave the rest of it alone. And then all you have to do is, I believe you can just share it with me to my Google email account, my Gmail, or I believe when you go back in, and I can't see what yours looks like, but I believe there's a turn in line or you can add your document in. So I think there's an add document or a plus sign. And if you find that, that would be great. And you can just plus sign and then insert your Google Drive document that you just created. But again, if this doesn't work, then you just share this document with me by clicking on share. And then all you have to do is type in my email address and send it to me and click done. And then I should have your assignment. This process took me a very, very long time to get to work. So I'm hoping I can find something that works a little bit better for everyone. And I will hold my breath on that. The other thing is, a lot of you don't hear the news regularly, and many kids were asking about when we are going back to school. And if you have lived in a bubble and haven't heard any of the news, the governor has said that all schools will be closed until May 1st. And on that note, the other thing is the governor said starting tonight at midnight, everyone is supposed to try to stay at home unless it's for an essential item such as a pharmacy thing or groceries. So I just want you to be aware of what's going on in the world and just keep doing your best. I really appreciate all your questions. I just feel bad when I can't get to you right away. And know that I'm trying my best to make it easy for you, and that I miss you very much, and that I will keep working hard in trying to figure out the best way for me to teach to you and get responses from you. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask, but make sure you watch the video and read all the directions that are given before you ask me questions. Especially the Google slide thing that I gave at the beginning of the week that explains what day you are doing what assignment. Okay, guys, any other questions, just let me know, and I'll be saying a lot of prayers that this actually works, and hopefully I can give everybody an easy 10 points for just filling this in and sending it to me. And that means everybody, even if you think you shared it to me already, nothing worked. So please do this and share it with me and let me know how that goes. And I will share the link on how to upload the Google Slides. Thank you guys. God bless you. I miss you. Bye bye.